Unlock a supercharged workflow by seamlessly integrating your Dropbox files directly into Notion. Let's get started with embedding your Dropbox files into Notion first. Head over to your Dropbox account and locate the file you want to embed once you found it. Click on the Share button. This will open up a sharing menu now. You'll want to click on Create Link to generate a shareable URL for your file if you already have a link. You can also choose to copy an existing one. Make sure the link settings allow for public viewing so Notion can access it then. Copy the generated link. This is the key to bringing your Dropbox file into Notion. Now, switch over to your Notion workspace, open the page where you want to embed your file, click anywhere on the page to bring up the block menu, or simply type a /. In the block suggestion menu that appears, type Embed or scroll down until you find the Embed option, click on it. A new embed block will appear with a field asking you to paste an embed link. This is where you'll paste the Dropbox file link you copied earlier. Paste the link into this field, and then click on the Embed Link button. And there you have it. Your Dropbox file is now embedded directly into your Notion page. You can see a preview of your document, image, or video right here without ever leaving Notion. This process works for a wide range of Dropbox file types, including documents, spreadsheets, presentations, images, and even videos. Simply repeat the steps for each file you want to embed. This integration means all your project assets are now just a click away within your notes. It's a fantastic way to centralize your work and boost your productivity. Try embedding your Dropbox files into Notion today.